Stunning! China develops killer bird drone powered by flapping wings. A bird just flew by. Or did it? China has unveiled a robotic Sparrow drone that flaps its wings like the real thing. So real, you wouldn't know it's watching you. Designed for stealth missions, this tech could change everything we know about surveillance. Stay tuned as we reveal how it works and why it's causing global. In a recent demonstration by China's special forces, a new type of surveillance drone stunned observers, not because of its size or sound, but because of how incredibly normal it looked. Shaped like a Eurasian tree sparrow, this drone flapped its wings and glided through the air just like the real thing. Known as an ornithopter, this flying device is designed to mimic bird flight in both appearance and motion. The demonstration video showed a member of the People's Liberation Army Sea Commandos resurfacing from the water and launching the drone into the sky. It flapped upward and circled silently, making it almost impossible to identify as anything other than a living bird. In another clip, a second operator controlled a larger model about the size of a raven or small hawk, suggesting different size variants may serve different purposes. The drone's engineering relies on flapping wing propulsion, not propellers or rotors. This bio-inspired flight is achieved using lightweight materials and micro-actuators that replicate the rhythm of bird wings. What makes the bird drone so unique isn't just how it looks, it's what it can potentially do. According to multiple defense sources cited in the original report by The Sun on Sunday, and corroborated by Soldier magazine, this new class of drones may carry compact, specialized systems for missions that require precision and subtlety. While there is no official statement about offensive capabilities, analysts believe that micro-payloads could be integrated to disrupt small devices or systems if needed. The size and flight pattern of the Ornithopter offer a natural advantage in areas where traditional drones might be too large, noisy, or obvious. Unlike quadcopters or fixed-wing platforms that produce a noticeable hum or buzz, this bird-like design is quiet, organic in movement, and far less likely to raise suspicion. It can pass unnoticed in the sky, even when flying low, because it behaves exactly like something people are accustomed to seeing every day. This technology opens new possibilities for short-range field operations, especially in tight or obstacle-filled environments. Imagine a drone flying close to a window, over a fence, or between buildings, its soft wing flapping almost silent. As impressive as the technology may be, it also raises important questions. The primary concern from analysts and privacy advocates isn't just how effective these bird drones are, but how easily they could be deployed without detection. Unlike most surveillance tools that leave behind traces, whether in the form of noise, digital signals, or visible shapes, this drone can quietly enter and exit an area while appearing to be nothing more than part of the natural environment. This introduces challenges for those trying to monitor or regulate such technology. How can a surveillance device be traced if observers believe it's just a bird? How can its presence be confirmed if it behaves like wildlife and vanishes after the task is done? These questions reflect the broader concern that the more machines begin to look and act like living creatures, the harder it will be to establish clear rules around their use. There's also the global technology race to consider. China may have demonstrated this capability first, but other nations are likely to be working on, or already testing, similar systems. Technologies like these can be used in urban security, border monitoring, and infrastructure protection. But in the wrong hands, they might also be used in ways that are harder to oversee, especially when operating across jurisdictions or in civilian areas. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and don't forget to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. See you next time.